The Fascinating World of Mirage, a natural phenomenon explained. Imagine walking through a vast desert, the golden sands stretching endlessly. In the distance, you see what appears to be a shimmering pool of water. You feel hopeful, thinking you found an oasis. But as you approach, the water disappears, and it's just dry sand. This illusion is what we call a mirage. A mirage is a natural optical phenomenon often seen in deserts or on hot roads. It is not a trick of the mind, but a fascinating interaction of light and heat. The word mirage comes from the Latin word mirare, meaning to look at or to wonder. How does a mirage form? Mirages occur because of the way light travels through air of different temperatures. Hot air near the surface of the desert is less dense than the cooler air above. When light passes through layers of air with varying densities, it bends or refracts. This bending of light is known as refraction. When the ground is very hot, the air near it becomes much warmer than the air above. Light traveling from the cooler air bends upward as it enters the hotter air. This creates the illusion of a reflection, similar to how water reflects the sky. The pool of water you see is actually the sky being reflected on the hot ground. This phenomenon is called an inferior mirage because the image appears below the horizon. Why are mirages common in deserts? Deserts are known for their extreme heat during the day. The intense sunlight heats the ground, causing the air near the surface to become very hot. Above this layer of hot air is cooler air, creating the perfect conditions for a mirage. The flat, expansive desert terrain also provides a clear view, making mirages more noticeable. Types of mirages. There are two main types of mirages, inferior and superior. An inferior mirage is the most common and occurs when the ground is much hotter than the air above. This is the type you see in deserts or on hot roads. A superior mirage, on the other hand, happens in colder regions. It occurs when the air near the ground is cooler than the air above. Superior mirages can make objects appear higher, stretched, or even flipped upside down. These are often seen over icy waters or during cold weather near the poles. The science behind the shimmering effect. The shimmering effect of a mirage occurs because air layers are constantly moving. Hot air rises while cooler air sinks, creating turbulence. This movement causes the refracted light to appear wavy or shimmering. It's like looking at an object through water that's gently rippling. Cultural significance of mirages. For centuries, mirages have fascinated and puzzled people. In ancient times, travelers in the desert believed mirages were magical oases. Stories of mirages often appeared in folklore, symbolizing hope or deception. Even today, mirages are used as metaphors for illusions or unattainable dreams. Mirages beyond desert. Mirages are not limited to deserts. They can occur in many environments. You might see a mirage on a hot highway, where the road looks wet from a distance. They can also appear over large bodies of water, such as lakes or oceans. In cold regions, superior mirages can create stunning visual effects. One famous example is the Fata Morgana, a type of superior mirage. Fata Morgana mirages can make objects appear as floating castles or towering ships. Fun facts about mirages. A mirage can sometimes make a boat appear to be floating in mid-air. Pilots flying at high altitudes can see mirages from their planes. The famous Flying Dutchman ghost ship legend may be linked to mirages. Mirages have been studied for centuries, with early explanations linked to magic. Even animals can be fooled by mirages, mistaking them for water sources. Scientific observations of mirages. Scientists used the phenomenon of mirages to study atmospheric conditions. By analyzing how light bends, they can learn about air temperature and density. This information is useful in weather forecasting and understanding climate patterns. The beauty of mirages in nature. Mirages remind us of the incredible ways light and air interact. They demonstrate how something as simple as temperature differences can create stunning visual effects. Mirages are not just illusions, but beautiful expressions of the natural world. For those who experience them, mirages offer a sense of wonder and curiosity. What can we learn from mirages? Mirages teach us to question what we see and understand the science behind natural phenomena. They show how perception can be influenced by environmental conditions. Mirages also inspire creativity, appearing in art, literature, and movies. Mirages and modern technology. Understanding mirages has practical applications in technology. For example, engineers use similar principles to develop fiber optics and holograms. Scientists study mirages to design better optical instruments and lenses. Mirages and space exploration. Mirages are not limited to Earth. They can occur in space as well. On planets with atmospheres, similar refraction effects may create optical illusions. Studying mirages helps scientists understand atmospheric conditions on other planets. Why are mirages so captivating? Mirages combine science, mystery, and beauty, making them a captivating natural event. They challenge our understanding of reality and push us to explore the unknown. For travelers, mirages add an element of surprise and intrigue to the journey. For scientists, they offer endless opportunities for discovery and learning. The mirage is a testament to the wonder of the natural world. It shows how light and air can come together to create breathtaking illusions. Though often misunderstood, mirages are not tricks but fascinating phenomena of science. Whether in a desert, on a highway, or near the poles, mirages never fail to amaze. Next time you see a mirage, take a moment to appreciate the science and beauty behind it. Mirages remind us that the world is full of surprises waiting to be explored. They are a window into the intricate and marvelous workings of nature. The story of the mirage continues to inspire and captivate people worldwide. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.